The Chevrolet Trax from 2013 to 2017 includes Trip A and Trip B odometers in its driver information center. These tools track short-term mileage, fuel efficiency, and other important metrics to help manage your vehicle. Trip A handles primary trip data, while Trip B allows for independent tracking, such as comparing fuel efficiency on different routes. Trip A is for primary trip data. Trip B can be used for separate tracking, like comparing fuel efficiency between routes. Resetting them is simple and provides useful insights into your driving habits. To access Trip A and B data on your Chevrolet Trax, first turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Next, use the menu button on the steering wheel to begin navigation. This allows you to navigate the Driver Information Center, or DIC. Scroll through the options until you find trip or fuel information. Once you've located the Trip A or Trip B display, press and hold the Set Reset button. This is typically a stem protruding from the instrument cluster. Hold it down for about 2 to 3 seconds until the odometer resets to 0. Confirm the reset to ensure the data clears. Always perform resets when parked to avoid distractions while driving. The Trip AB displays show several key metrics: distance traveled in miles or kilometers, average fuel economy in mpg or liters per 100 kilometers, instant fuel economy, elapsed time, and average speed. These figures are calculated using data from the vehicle's sensors. Keep in mind that this system relies on the original vehicle's onboard diagnostics, or OBD2 system. Trip A is ideal for tracking your daily commute or the mileage between gas refills. By resetting it after each fill-up, you can monitor fuel consumption patterns. Use Trip B to monitor fuel efficiency after maintenance tasks like an oil change or tire rotation. Reset it before the service and track improvements afterward. By frequently resetting and monitoring Trip A and B, you can spot potential issues early, such as tire wear or engine inefficiencies, before they become major problems. Some users experience occasional display glitches due to aging LCD screens. A voluntary GM software update in 2025 improved cluster responsiveness, which can indirectly benefit trip data access. If you encounter persistent problems, consult a certified mechanic. Resetting requires manual cluster navigation even when using third-party OBD2 scanners. Always reset Trip A and B odometers while parked to prevent driving distractions that could lead to accidents. Use the fuel efficiency data from Trip A and B to develop eco-driving habits that save fuel and reduce emissions. Pay close attention to the fuel economy numbers and adjust your driving style accordingly. Maintain steady speeds, avoid harsh braking, reduce idling, and keep tires properly inflated for optimal MPG. Frequent monitoring of Trip A and B data helps detect vehicle issues early, promoting safer driving and more efficient vehicle operation. While the 2013-2017 Trax features a basic trip computer system, automotive technology is rapidly evolving. Modern vehicles now incorporate artificial intelligence and seamless app integration for more advanced monitoring. Future trip computers will use AI to automatically analyze driving patterns and provide personalized insights, while integrating directly with smartphone apps for real-time data access and remote monitoring. For current owners, consider using DIY OBD2 integrations with apps like Torque Pro. These allow custom dashboards, data export to phones, and deeper vehicle diagnostics beyond the basic trip meters. Looking ahead, by 2030, cloud-based telematics systems will likely make manual trip resets obsolete. Vehicle data will sync automatically with cloud platforms, providing comprehensive analytics without user intervention.